Who among us isn't intrigued by the thought of what Windows 12 will bring? In the world of technology, each new iteration is a step into the future, an opportunity for growth and innovation. Today, we dive into the realm of Windows 12, exploring its potential requirements, cost, and how it might compare to its predecessor, Windows 11. First, we delve into the likely hardware requirements for Windows 12. Although Microsoft has yet to officially announce the exact specifications, it's reasonable to anticipate similar or slightly higher system requirements compared to Windows 11. Expect to need a modern CPU, ample RAM, and a compatible graphics card. Next, we consider the availability and cost of Windows 12. While the release date remains unconfirmed, history tells us to expect a major Windows update every 3 to 4 years. In terms of cost, Microsoft typically offers a variety of pricing tiers for Windows upgrades, with exact figures becoming available closer to the release date. Transitioning from Windows 11 to Windows 12 might necessitate certain hardware upgrades should your machine fall short of the new system requirements. This could involve upgrading the CPU, adding more RAM, or replacing outdated components like the graphics card. It's also crucial to keep your machine's firmware and drivers updated for a smooth transition. In India, the cost of these hardware upgrades can vary, influenced by factors such as brand, specifications, and component availability. Prices can range from a few thousand to several tens of thousands of Indian rupees. Remember to compare prices from different vendors and consider factors like warranty and after-sales support before making purchases. But what differences can we expect between Windows 11 and Windows 12? While specifics are not yet available, Windows 12 is likely to build on the foundation laid by Windows 11, offering further refinements, new features, and enhanced security measures. Potential differences could include performance improvements, user interface enhancements, updated bundled applications, and additional productivity features. Microsoft typically provides a straightforward upgrade path for users to transition from older versions of Windows to the latest release. This often involves a simple process using Windows Update or through the Microsoft Store. Users may also have the option to perform a clean installation of Windows 12 if preferred, though this would require backing up data and reinstalling applications. The percentage of users likely to upgrade to Windows 12 will hinge on various factors, including compelling new features, compatibility with existing hardware and software, and perceived value. Historically, a significant portion of users tend to upgrade to the latest Windows version over time due to the importance of security updates and ongoing support. In conclusion, as we anticipate the arrival of Windows 12, it's important to consider potential requirements, costs, and differences compared to Windows 11. As technology continues to evolve, so too does the landscape of operating systems, and with it, our experience as users. Only time will reveal the full impact of Windows 12. But today, we're one step closer to understanding what it might bring.